guys, it's Jay here. So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going back to Cebu province again because I'm going to ask the carpenter if when he can start able digging in the land for the septic tanks. So see ya. Good morning guys. So about last night, I didn't make a video on the way here because it's pretty dark and I already arrived here late. And so now I already talked to the carpenter and they already started digging and for the septic tank. So
Itsura ang kakunduan. Ni. Sa. Dikit ano. Itsura niya ba? Lagi di ay. Makapinas ta ni kaluglat.
Kapilan na ko siya duha ka buok.
Ingat as babi bisag ko na ko do. Duha ko salang kuno karin.
So today's plan is they're going to dig here for the septic tank, and because the reason why we got the septic tank first, it's because that's the rules here in the province, and they require the septic tank first before you build a house because you cannot get a building permit without a septic tank. So if you got the house first before the septic tank, then there's a penalty for that. So now we're going to hardware and to buy materials for the septic tank. So now here in hardware, so this is the materials for the septic tank, and this the prices for each and the total. So they delivered already the dry steel and the cement. So they delivered the hollow blocks, and that's where I parked the motorcycle. So once the septic tank is done, and I will probably inquire for the water and electricity and how to apply, so I can start apply that for the for, for the land. Where's my land? So, So I'm going to check if how deep the septic tank here. And so that's a part of the materials that I bought. So this is it, and I guess they will continue to work tomorrow, and I will use that for in there. Let's see. So tomorrow is another day for another work here. So I guess they will finish the septic tank probably within 2 days or 3 days. So it's depend how fast they can work. But so far they're doing pretty good. Especially they do the very good work for the fence. Chicken, chicken. Hi guys, good morning. So I just woke up and it's already 7:23 a.m. here and I'm sleepy. So I'm going to check the septic tank if how deep they're digging. So they started working and I'm going to see in there. It's pretty hot.
Mau ayo lagi.
Hangin po. Pugon ya, pugon ba?
So now we're done here and I need to come back here later again. So they will probably finish that tomorrow morning.
One eternity later.
Good morning guys. So I'm here again and actually I didn't make a video coming back here because it was pretty dark because I'm driving all the way here very late and I'm going to check the septic tank and what if they already finished or not yet. So this is it, and wow, so they already put here. So they need to finishing this hollow blocks, and they have to cover it and they have to put the cover like they have to put a manhole here. So just once this is full, so you can open it and yeah, so the so this is it, guys, the update for today's. And I hope that the carpenters, and they're showing up today, because they said to me last yesterday that they will finish it today. So
A few moments later.
today is another day. I'm going on the site and to see if they continue. And for today, they're gonna do a finishing. So the reason I go this way because this is what you call canal or something. I don't know. That's where the water, and I'm gonna ask them to plane this part, and I'm gonna block the where's the water come from there. So so I'm gonna see what they're gonna do. So they're finishing.
Ano ang ginagawa mo? Ingat tayo gagawin sa doping mo. Ay, klaro kayo. Ikaw? Klaro kayo, pili ikaw. Oray ko siya? Check ko yung nasa ba ujay sinday ato ko. Sila ra siguro. Puro dalam bre. Nabata. Matagat ang laptop ra. Ang video eh, matagat ang laptop ra.
So they're done. So now we're done here, and I'm going back to Cebu City because I need to do something there. So I will come back here again sooner, probably next week or another week. So now it's time to going back to Cebu City. So see ya.